poppin', everyone? What is good? Hope all you having a wonderful and blessed day. It has been a minute since I posted a vlog, like over a month. I just been taking a little break, but we are back. And guess what, guys? I am going on my first camping trip, so this vlog is about to be interesting. I'm pretty excited. Vendela's family's already at the campsite. They set up our tent. I'm gonna be sleeping in the tent. Like, what? Never did that in my life. Vendela been before, but I haven't. We have our car packed up already. We have all our stuff in there, you see. But man, you know you have to give this vlog a big thumbs up before the vlog even starts. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and it feels good to be back. I'll catch you guys at the campsite. Okay, we just made it to the campsite. Check out our tent. You know, we got our stuff in here right now. It is looking really cozy. Vendela always brings her teddy bear with her. She loves that thing. But you know, we got the Turleys, however you want to say them. And then we got the good cider drinks that I really love. We're gonna go down here by the river, and man, check out that huge mountain. This is crazy. All these tents, and this is where me and Vendela is gonna be staying tonight. Right.
I'm glamping, okay?
Yeah, she over here trying to look pretty for camping. All on top of the mountains, it was actually all burnt, like all up there. I'm gonna roll a drone footage for you guys to show you guys how beautiful the nature is out here in Washington. How you cook a real hot dog. Look at that.
That is how you cook.
Oh, alrighty, man. Last night was really cool. Slept good. No bears came and attacked my tent, so that is good. Me and Vendela are about to pack up our tent, and then we're gonna head to the city a little bit and explore before we head back home. So yeah, let's do a little time lapse of us tearing down the tent. Must be nice to sit down and enjoy the sun while I just took down this tent. How is it? Must be. Got the fire, got the sun, got the rock music in the background. Excuse me, ma'am, are you old enough to drive? How old are you? Can I have your license and registration?
Yes.
Where's your license at?
Right here.
Okay. Taco Bell? That's not your license.
No.
Ma'am, I'm gonna have to ask you to step out the vehicle.
Why?
While I further investigate.
No.
No! You're going to jail. I need backup. Yes, we have a young lady. She doesn't have a license, or she's not registered to drive. She can't even touch the pedal. You're handing me so many licenses? A Fox coffee card? This is not your license, ma'am.
Well,
We're gonna have to ask you to step out the vehicle. Oh, how you gonna see over the dashboard now? Oh my gosh, this is dangerous. All right, I'm calling back up. All right, so me and Vendela are about to go in into. I'm about to put the GoPro on my head, and let's get the adventure going. Good thing we didn't bring our phone. Oh, what? Oh. That was a little rough. That was fun.
You like that?
Yeah. floating down the river. We came to this famous place that has good brats. Check this out, guys. Man, these are amazing. We came here yesterday, and look at hers, the jalapenos. I can't really do that, hurts my stomach, but whew, I had to get 2 this time. I had 1 yesterday, but I had to do 2 this time because they're so good. Well, me and Vendela got some ice cream, but check out that little ass spoon. Ridiculous. Oh man, we just made it home, guys. I hope you guys did enjoy today's vlog. If you do, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And I had so much fun in Leavenworth camping. Wow, man, I'll see you guys in my next vlog.